Welcome to the channel, as today we continue to explore the nightlife in the city of Manchester, one of the most exciting places to visit in the UK today. Young, diverse, vibrant and full of personality. It offers a captivating blend of modern culture, great cuisine and world-famous music set against a strong industrial heritage. Certainly, Manchester is a great city for nightlife. Here are some of the most popular spots. 1. The Warehouse Project. This is one of the biggest and most famous club nights in the UK, and is held in an impressive, underground space. 2. The Deaf Institute. Located in the trendy northern quarter, the Deaf Institute is a popular alternative/indie venue known for its eclectic music and cool decor. 3. The Albert Hall, a beautiful Grade 2 listed building that has been converted into a gig venue and nightclub. Check out their website for upcoming events and DJ sets. 4. Yes, this is a multi-faceted venue with a bar, kitchen, and club space. The rooftop terrace is also a hit during the summer months. 5. Gorilla. This venue is located beneath the railway arches near Oxford Road and is known for its late-night DJ sets and live music events. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.